Good morning students. Now we'll discuss how to make decorating flower. You see, already I made it. You might have seen this type of decorating flower in greetings and in other cards. In market also is to available decorating item. So very easy to make this one. And for this we have to first draw 24.5 centimeter radius circles. So you can take A4 size chart paper and you can draw the circle taking radius equal to 4.5 centimeter. You can take 6 centimeter also, no problem, but I have taken 4.5 centimeter, means 9 centimeter diameter. So using 20 circles I made it. So let us start how to do this one. Okay, so I have taken 20 piece of color chart paper and scissors, scale and Fevicol. Okay, so first I have drawn a circle of 4.5 centimeter. So here this one, see this one 9 centimeter, 9 centimeter, so this one O, this one A, 4.5 centimeter, this one 4.5 and this one. Okay, so 4.5 centimeter. Okay, and here we have to cut it. So this is 1.5 and this one 3. This is 6 centimeter and 7.5. So we'll mark. This is one part, 2, 3, and this one 4, 5, 6. So every 6 part you have to make. Now see what we will do. So taking 4.5 centimeter radius, now what we will do, you have to cut this one. So I have taken 9 centimeter dia and 4.5 centimeter radius. So now I will cut the circles. Okay, so now keeping this one here, directly you can cut this one. I have taken 20 sheets, so I kept like this. I will cut this one, so at a time I can get circles. So again I'll keep this one. So this way, for saving time, we can do like this. Now see, now we have to fold into half. All you have to do like this. So I folded into half. I've taken 20 pieces. So now what we'll do, you have to mark at the middle. So this one, see, you have to mark at the, this is 1 point. Now this is upper half, this is, it means 1.5, and now this one, the 3, and similarly the 6, and this one 7.5. Okay, now we'll take one by one. And we'll fold from the middle first. So I am drawing here, so the middle one, and here one, the 3 parts, and here one, and this one. So this is 1.5, 3, 4.5, the 6, 7.5, and 9. Okay, so here what we'll do, this is alternate, 1, 3, and 1, 3, and 5. You have to put the gum, fevicol initially. This is 1, 3, 5. So you'll put like this. Okay. So similarly again, this is 1, 3, and 5. Again 1, 3, and this one here 5. Okay, so this is 3, 5, and 1. This way 1, 3, and 5. So again I have to fix like this. So again this one, last one. So this way. Okay, 1, 3, and 5. So now we have to keep it for some time. Now again you have to repeat this one. Okay, this is 2 and 4. 2 and 4. So this is 2. So 2, 4. here again 2, 4. You have to open like this. Two and 4. So very simple way. Two and 4. Initially 1, 3, 5. Now 2 and 4. So after this we'll take a paper here, okay, and you have to fix this one. Nicely you have to fix this one. So here okay, you have to remove this one extra portions. And this side also. Now when we'll open this one, see, we'll get flower like this. So we can use multiple color papers, okay, for taking good, it will look beautiful flowers, and this one you can use it for other decorating items. Thank you.